Today I'm going to teach you how to download Outlook, whether you're setting up a new device or simply want to access Microsoft's powerful email client. This guide will walk you through the entire download process step by step. First, open a new browser tab on your computer. In the address bar, type Microsoft.com and press Enter. This will take you to Microsoft's main homepage where you can access all their products and services. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll see several menu options in the navigation bar. Look for and click on Microsoft 365. This section houses all of Microsoft's productivity tools and applications, including Outlook. After clicking on Microsoft 365, you'll be taken to a dedicated page showcasing Microsoft's suite of applications. Here, locate and click on Products. This will trigger a products window to appear on your screen. The window displays all the Microsoft products available for download and purchase. You'll notice an Apps and Services tab, which should be selected by default. This tab organizes all of Microsoft's applications in a clear, easy-to-navigate format. Scroll through the options until you find Outlook and click on it. This will bring you directly to the Outlook product page. On the Microsoft Outlook page, you'll see detailed information about the application, its features and capabilities. Look for the download button and click on it. This action will initiate the download process. You might notice a brief moment where a new tab opens. This is completely normal, as you're being redirected to your Microsoft Store. When the new tab opens, you'll see a prompt asking you to open Microsoft Store. Go ahead and click on this option. A small Microsoft Store window will appear on your screen. This is where you can directly download Microsoft Outlook onto your device. Take a moment to read through the app's functions and features if you're interested in learning more about what Outlook offers. You'll see reviews, screenshots, and a description of the application's capabilities. When you're ready to proceed, look for the blue download button. Click on it to begin downloading Outlook to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few moments to complete. And there you have it. You've successfully started the download process for Microsoft Outlook. The application will install on your device, and once complete, you'll be able to set up your email accounts and start managing your communications efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.